What's going on, everybody? It's Tree Man coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for the next part in our PC build, which is going to be our mouse. It is a Glorious Model Zero from Glorious PC Gaming, I believe is the name of the company. So let's just get right into it. Got the handy dandy pocket knife. No one's going to hurt themselves today though. See? Just like that. Simple little incision. We may still need it. Don't know. Ooh, okay. Bam. So there's the box itself. Can we get a focus? Probably not. Without the wicked glare. Here's the back side. Come on, give me a focus. Thumbnail. Okay, probably gonna have to edit that out. Alright, let's get into it. Okay. Got this like plastic wrap around the box. Get that out of there. We don't need it. Trying to get into the good stuff. Man, the camera really gets close once I go to video mode. Ooh, alright. Bam. There it is. That might be the money shot right there. You can see it's all matte white, so it won't, like, I sweat really bad out of my hands, so that was the only thing that I'm worried about getting a white one, but I wanted the white one to match the PC case. So here, we'll get the whole shot in there for you. And the mic, actually. The snowball, the PC case, and the mouse are all in that white. And of course, this thing does have all kind of cool LEDs. Let's see. So you get the mouse, silica gel, that's not important. Some setup instructions. Those will probably come in handy here in a second. Ooh, you get a sticker. Couple of stickers, it looks like, from Glorious PC Gaming. It's the dude that comes on the sticker on that one. There's a little circular one. It says PC Glorious Gaming. Bam, there we go. Now, let's see about getting some power to it, though. Seeing if I can show you guys the lights. That's gonna blow your mind. Especially if you're like me, and your mind's easily blown by cool things that light up. Shout out to the people like that. Prime. Here. We'll rotate the whole camera like this. Bam, there's the whole thing. Yeah, you like that? I fucking like it. I love that shit. I mean, I was trying not to cuss, but to hell with it. I'm so excited about this mouse. I got the mouse pad by the same company. Gonna crop that soon, probably in the next week or so. And then the processor, baby, and the graphics card in the same order. We're gonna try to do that. And I really want to get this computer up and running within the next week to month at the latest, so I can start getting a lot more in-depth videos, better edited videos, all kind of just different. There's going to be so much more content once the computer's up and running. Just trust me when I say that. Like, I need y'all to trust me. Gaming content, car content, build content. Basically anything that comes to my mind, I won't be limited by technology once I get my PC all built. Anyways, this was just a quick little unboxing video of my new mouse. I wanted y'all to see it because I was hyped, so I wanted to try to get you guys hyped up with it. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I'm Tree Man. Feel free to leave a like down below, comment too. Let me know how the video was for you. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Till next time, this has been Tree Man, signing off. Peace.